Hello, good evening. You are welcome once again to my channel. And what I would like to do today is to solve a question on linear equation. Linear equation. That is what we want to do today. Solving of question on linear equation as a topic in mathematics. I have a lot of questions in my front here, but I will pick one of them and go ahead and solve. The question I want to solve is the question B here. The question I want to solve is question B here. This particular question, 10x plus 15 is equals to 115. That is the question we want to go ahead and solve. So permit me to use a blank page to solve this. So I'm already on a blank page and the question is 10x plus 15 is equals to 115. When we are faced with a question that is similar to this, what we are expected to do is to find x. We want to find x. What is x? And in trying to find x, the first step to take is to collect like terms. We need to collect like terms. Collection of like terms, the way we normally do it is that we allow the coefficients. We allow the coefficient, we look for the coefficients and allow it to stay on one side. And we also look for the constants to stay on one side. In this question, the 10 here is the coefficient of this x. If I write 2a, the 2 is coefficient for this variable a here. If I write 7c, this 7 is the coefficient for this c here. So this 10 is the coefficient for this x, while the plus 15 here and this 115, the plus 15 in the above question and the 115, they are both constants. They are constants. They are constants. So let's now go ahead and collect like terms. Collect like terms. So in collecting like terms, this plus 15 will need to cross this equal to sign to decide where there is minus 15. And in trying to make it cross, this plus 15 will be changed to minus 15. It will be changed to minus 15. So I will then say 10x is equals to 115 minus 15. 10x will then be 100. So immediately we are faced with this step or, or something similar in mathematics. Immediately we are faced with that step or something similar in mathematics. What we usually do is to divide both sides. We need to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficients. Anything the coefficient is, we need to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficients in order to finally arrive at the answer. I'm sorry, let me rub that off. We need to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficients in order to arrive at the answer. So 10x divided by 10 will then be equals to 100 divided by 10. When we cut, we then have x is equals to 100. Oh, sorry. X is equals to 10. That is our answer. X is equals to 10 is our answer. We can actually carry out a check on what we have done to confirm whether the x is equals to 10 is right or not. A check can be carried out. And how do we do that? Check. So we apply the x is equals to 10 gotten here. The x is equals to 10 gotten here. The x is equals to 10 that we have here. We apply it to the original question in order to confirm whether our answer is actually right or not. And what's the original question? The original question is 10x plus 15 is equals to 115. And we have gotten our s as 10. So anywhere in the original equation, anywhere we see x, we replace the x with 10 because x is equals to 10. So let's go ahead and do that. 10, 10 into bracket of 10 plus 15 will now be equals to 115. So 100 plus 15 will now be equals to 115. 115 is equals to 115. So what we have here, the 115 is equal to 115 that we have here is a confirmation that the x is equals to 10 gotten for the original question is actually right. That is how equation, or that is how linear equation operates. It is a testament, a confirmation. This 115 is a testament to a confirmation that our s is equals to 10 gotten here is right for this equation. Thanks so very much. Thanks for hanging around. I really appreciate your time. Thanks. Bye bye. I want to quickly solve this additional question to the one I just finished solving. And the question is as it is in my front. So, so all linear equations are always similar. They're always similar. We are doing the same thing for all linear equation. And based on the explanation I gave on the one I just finished solving, the explanation I gave was that the coefficient, the minus 9 here, is coefficient for this x, this variable x, why this 47, why the 47 and minus 7 in this question are both what? Are both constants. They are both constants. So let us now go ahead and solve the question. Since I had already explained what a linear equation is in the first one that I solved. So here I will also need to collect like terms. Collect like terms. I'll collect like terms by saying minus 9x is equals to minus 7. The plus 40, the plus 47 here, when it moves to this side, will become minus 47 because it is a plus on the left hand side. To become minus 47. Minus 47. So what we'll then do is to add. What we'll then do is to add minus 7 to minus 47. We need to add the two together. And in adding the two together, it will give us, in adding the two together, it will give us, in adding the two together, it will give us 54. 54 is what the addition of the two will give us. But we need to note that the 47 and the 7, that they are both negative. They are both negative. So when we add two negative numbers together, our answer will be all negative. Our answer will be all negative. When we add two negative together, our answer will be all negative. In that case, in that case, in that case, we will then say minus 9x is equals to minus 54. So I have already explained that when we have 2x is equals to 10, or we have 10x is equals to 50, all we just need to do is to divide both sides by the coefficients. Is to divide both sides by the coefficient. What is the coefficient here now? Minus 9x is the coefficient. So it then means minus 9 is the coefficient. So it then means we'll divide both sides by minus 9 in order to have s. So then say minus 9x over minus 9 is equals to minus 54 divided by minus 9. So we'll cut. When we cut, we then have x, we then have we then have x is equals to 6. We have x equals to 6 because in mathematics, minus divided by minus will always be plus. Minus divided by minus in mathematics is plus. So minus 54 divided by minus 9 will give us plus 6. That is how we arrived at the 6 in the answer there. So we can still quickly carry out a check on this. Let's just quick, without wasting time, let's carry out a check on this. Can carry out a check on this. The original question is 47 minus 9s is equals to minus 7. 47 minus 9s. Check. 47 minus 9x is equals to minus 7. 47 minus 9 is equals to minus 7. S is equals to 6. So now we know that our we know that our we know that the x here is the 6 here. The x here is the 6 here. So anywhere we see x, we replace it with 6. So let's do that. 47 minus 9 into bracket of 6 is equals to minus 7. 47 minus 54 is equals to minus 7. So plus 47 minus 54. Well, what we need to do for these two is this 54 is what belongs to me. The way I normally do this is I would say this 54 is this minus 54 is what belongs to me. Why this plus 47? This I'm sorry, this minus 54 is what I am owing. Why this plus 47 is what belongs to me. So if I'm owing 54 and I use what belongs to me to pay what I am owing, what is what will be left that I'm still owing? So it will be minus 7. It will be minus 7. So it then means this side is minus 7 and it equals to minus 7, and this this is a testament that what we have here, the minus 6 here, a testament that the pluses that we have here as an answer is right for this equation. Thanks so very much. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate and cherish your time. Thanks for listening to me. Bye bye.